The ITS SEPM Group Move Automation Project is an automated project that will monitor a default group in SEP and move the clients to their respective categories. This project can be set to run on demand, or it can also be scheduled to run automatically in the background on a set schedule. This project is different from several other out-of-the-box tools that are also able to move clients in the fact that it also provides reporting, so that each time the project is run, you can get an email report of which clients were moved, what time they were moved, and where they were moved to. And also it's different in the fact that it is built on top of semantic workflow, meaning that this project can be used as a starting template and it can be customized or enhanced to meet your business process needs. The ITS SEPM Group Move Automation supports two different modes for moving clients. We can move clients based on their host name or computer name, and the second method is based on their IP address, if their IP address falls within a range. These two settings are configured inside of our filter files. If we open up the project folder here, there are two files, config.filter.computername and config.filter.ipaddress. And if we open up the first one here, the computer name, we see that on the left-hand side, we see the keywords. In this case, it's SQL. So if the computer contains the keyword SQL, move it to the service group. And if it contains the keyword service, move it to group A. Similarly, if we open up the IP address file, on the left-hand side, we see our IP address range. If the computer falls within this range, 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.5, move it to the service group. And similarly, with our second range here, move it to group A. Inside of our project here, we can set our project properties. This is where we can define the URL to our SEP server. We can also set our username and password credentials so that we can access the SEP server. And we can also specify if we are using the IP address filter or if we are using the computer host name filter. Finally, we can also set our SMTP mail settings so that we can send out the email report of which clients were moved and where they were moved to. We're going to go ahead and run this project in debug mode here to demonstrate its capacity. And once our debugger launches, we're going to go ahead and click begin. And then once the project finishes running in debug mode, we're going to switch back to our SEP server. And if I go to my default group here, this is the group that we were monitoring. My clients have moved out of there. And I see that my service desk server has moved to group A. And my DC SQL server has moved to the servers group. This has been a demonstration of the ITS SEPM Group Move Automation Project.